That was close to me. Little babies right there. That did not hit good. Holy crap. Oh, it's broke. Got broke shock, y'all. Standoff. Oh, what the hell that was about there? That was nuts. Shock's in bad shape. CNHL LiPo, 4,000 milliamps. Oh, what the hell was that? Sure.
You ready?
Mark, you said go. Oh well, y'all just raced this on dirt bike and smoked its ass. RC, Garage Life RC wheelie bar. Smoking kids out here with a broken shock, making kids feel bad about their little dirt bikes. What a bully. All right, y'all. If you hate doing something you love for real, you're doing something wrong. That's gonna do it for this one. She's sagging in the front, but she's still getting down. She don't care. But that's gonna do it for this one, y'all. We out here having a blast, doing what we do best. Playing with RC cars. Grown ass men. All right, that's really gonna do it. We're out of here, boys. Peace out. We love you. Hit that like, comment, subscribe, share it, please. Let's spread the word.